Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to transfer USDT TRC20 from your Trust Wallet to your Binance app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Binance app with your password. The next thing is to tap on your wallet. But before I continue, if you haven't created your Binance app, I have the video. So I'll be dropping the link at the end of this video for you to be able to learn how to create your Binance account. So the next thing you have to do after tapping on your wallet option is to tap on add funds. Tap on on-chain deposits. Select USDT. Select TRC20 and make sure you still use that same TRC20 on your Trust Wallet app. Now, the next thing I have to do is to copy my deposit address. Looking at it, you see that there is no memo. So let me head straight to my Trust Wallet. So on your Trust Wallet, you just have to log in with your password. The next thing you have to do is to tap on USDT. Tapping on USDT, you have to make sure that you have the same network on your Binance app and your Trust Wallet. If not, you might lose your phone. So my Binance app, I have TRC20. On my Trust Wallet, I also have TRC20, which is fine. The next thing I have to do is to tap on send option. Tapping on send option, I just have to copy that address. Paste that address I copied from my Binance app here and enter the amount of USDT that I want to send to my Binance app. Now it's showing me not enough balance because I don't have USDT on my Trust Wallet. So the next thing is to enter a memo. Though Binance did not give me memo, so you can leave it. It's optional. You can leave it that way, or probably write Binance. So and tap good. Because I don't have enough balance on my Binance app, I won't be able to complete this transaction. But if you have enough balance on your Binance app, after entering these details, it's going to show you option for next, and then some verifications will be done before the transaction will be completed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified, share this video, give me a like, and also comment on this video. Thanks for watching.